Sa bawat pangarap na ating sinisimulan, may Diyos na gumagabay sa ating daan. Sa bawat tahanang ating pinapangarap, Jesus, Ikaw ang pundasyon. Ikaw ang aming lakas. Every dream begins with a vision. Every home begins with a prayer. Sa bawat pamilyang naghahanap ng tahanan, we believe that Jesus is always there. Hindi lang lupa, hindi lang bahay, kundi pangarap na nais naming mabuhay. With honesty, with love, with faith, we serve with purpose, we serve with grace. Kapag mahirap.
Good morning everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa ating pinakabagong project dito sa Anyana, Beverly Parks. Alright, alam nyo, napakaganda ng advantage ngayon dito because this is a highly elevated property, flood-free, malapit sa lahat ng mga establishments, hospitals, malls, schools, kaya makakatipid talaga kayo lalo na sa inyong expenses, sa mobilization, travel expenses, kung ang trabaho ninyo ay nasa Metro Manila. So, napakalaki ng project natin, Anyana, no? Habang ating pagsasamahan. This is a master plan and mega township. Dito sa loob ni Anyana, meron tayong restaurants, meron tayong coffee shop, and may office, may building, of course, more on mga anchor businesses. Plus, we have the upcoming nung ating napakagandang mega clubhouse or the country clubhouse. And right now, dito sa side na to, ito yung pinaka-latest and the newest project namin na may LTS na the Beverly Parks. Now, as you can see, ito yung tarpaulin right now. So, dito sa loob ni Beverly Parks, we have not only, kita nyo yan sa ating inventory, at ang good thing dito, open dito sa lahat ng contractors, engineers, architect, sa lahat ng design na gusto ninyo. Pangalawa, walang restriction kung kailan kayo magpapagawa ng bahay. Kumbaga, ibig sabihin, maglaland banking kayo. You are securing your place or investment for future use. Meaning, mag-a-acquire kayo ng property na pre-selling, either lot or a house in lot. Malakas ang ulan, alright? So, medyo malakas ang ulan, guys. Anyway, nasa description below ang atin pong yung pricing ng property and open sa bank financing, in-house, and deferred cash term. For bank financing, so make sure na kayo po ay wala pong mga ejected loan or repossessed na property from sa previous transaction. Basta as clean kayo o malinis na inyo pong pinaka-account para during the credit investigation, pasok agad. Plus, kailangan mayroon kayong income because income is very important lalo na sa housing loan. Para lang naman sa gusto mag-loan. Pero kung gusto niyo naman po ay like cash term, well, mas maganda because the developer will give you special treatment, special discount, and perks. Plus, mas mapapaaga yung inyo pong house construction or mapapaaga ninyo magamit ninyo pong property. Kaya if you want to know more or if you want a private meeting, just message me because nagsasagawa kami ng meeting either sa Zoom, sa WhatsApp, sa Viber, or Messenger. This is a legitimate property because since 1986, nasa real estate industry. And I've been working in real estate business dito sa since 2012. It's more than 15 years. Tama? Yeah, it's almost 15 years na po ako dito sa real estate industry. So, if you are interested or anyone interested, at madami na tayong mga kliyente dito na naka-acquire, nakatira. Ang iba, dati walang anak. Ngayon, meron na lang mga apo. Alright, yung iba, walang mga anak, din nagkakaanak na. Alam nyo, may blessing in disguise din itong pag-venture namin sa isang real estate development project. Ang dami naming experience, ang dami namin nakakausap, ang dami naming narinig ng mga story nila, no? From small beginning hanggang sa ngayon, talaga naman nag-show up yung kanilang mga asset. Right. So, Ang tip lang dito, lakasan ng loob, taga, at tipid, no? Ibig sabihin, dahil meron kang project, kailangan mo magtitipid para sa iyong future use. Kailangan inisip mo yung future for future use and future benefits. Yan yung power ng real estate. At in the long run, at later on, ikaw din makikinabang sa iyong pinagtiyagaan, sa iyong pinaghirapan, at sa iyong pinagsikapan. Because this is permanent asset. Your legacy, no? Lalo na isang napakagandang property na sa loob na isang exclusive subdivision. So, once again, this is our newest village, the Beverly Parks. At lahat ng mga bahay dito ay solo houses, walang townhouse, meaning may garden, may parking, may malapad na kalsada, may drainage system, elevated, a master plan property, at ito ay may license to sell. Alright, so once again, my name is Ray, a real estate broker and real estate appraiser here in the Philippines. And I hope to see you in Viber, WhatsApp, email, messenger, sa email, or sa any major platform. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in our next one. God bless everyone.
Foundation, house and lot, investment and home, hindi ka nag-iisa. We're with you all the way home. Sa bawat pangarap, sa bawat pamilya, Ray Milada Realty. Kasama mo sa tagumpay. Yeah! Dream it, believe it, build it. With God we can achieve it. Kung bahay ang pangarap, kung investment ang kailangan, kung future ng pamilya ang iniisip mo, Ray Milada Realty. Ray Milada Realty. Where faith builds trees and dreams find a home.